Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back, and fidget spinner trend. I know, I'm a bandwagon. I'm a failure. Okay, but today we're doing fidget spinner versus. Hooray! Okay, so I forgot to tell you I'm here with my friend Carter, and he does not have a YouTube channel.
Used to, deleted it, hated it, sucked.
But we're at his house, and we found this ocelot, and he was in Carter's slime. And, yeah. But, so we're going to do the tail. Okay, that was not spinning fast.
We have a plastic one here, as you can see, right here. And his is metal. That tail got nothing on it. Hey, that's the head.
Yeah, well, this ocelot can die. He decided to bugger into your slime.
Eat it. Plastic spinner sucks.
His butthole. Okay, next thing. Okay, so I got my spinner and I got this bad gun. So, wanna know what we're doing? Okay, that's gone now. Okay, plastic spinner.
It's not even spinning.
Plastic spinners are trash. Okay, next one. So it turns out we did actually do damage to this. Yeah, we put a hole in it from when I went.
Hey, you're not Wolfie Raps. Stop it with that.
Okay, next thing. Okay, so we're gonna do this hockey net, and Carter has the metal spinner, metal fidget versus hockey net.
Fail.
Yeah, fail.
Epic.
Plastic now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we got the plastic one.
This one has weights on it.
Yeah.
So it's probably gonna do worse damage, but let's see.
And
sucked.
it's a failure. Okay, we have this fence post thingy, and let's try this. Oh, it put dents. That's where I spun it. Right there. Or around there. Dents. There is a dent right there.
Yeah, you can barely see it, but whatever.
Next thing!
We got this now. It's a ball of putty with like
Weird foam balls in it.
from a bead chair or whatever. And we got a metal spinner again. And
And it did nothing.
right.
Nothing!
Metal spinner does nothing. Let's do this.
Plastic?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh wait. It did a little bit of markings.
Okay, I got Jeffy's dad, aka Mario, and let's fidget spinner versus his hat.
We need
Die,
his
Mario.
angles. All I see is your fingers, not his hat.
Die, Mario.
This is doing honestly nothing.
Yeah. Know what? You can die. Next thing. Okay, so we're gonna do 1,000 mile per hour metal fidget spinner versus 1,000 mile per hour plastic fidget spinner. So let's get this spinning.
That's loud.
Done! Next thing! Okay, I got my metal fidget and slime right here. Nothing.
Do
Plastic fidget next.
oh, did a little bit of damage right in there.
Oh, that did more damage.
Plastic? I'm telling you, these plastic spinners are better. Did that do anything?
No, this is a failure. This is a failure.
at life.
Next. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Those 4 things make you awesome. Peace out, bros.